children, welcome to my preschool at home. I'm teacher Sarah here and I'll be doing the video guide. We are in our camping team and today we are going to learn about campfire, how important campfire is during a camping trip. So before we go into our arts and crafts, our creativity, I will walk through with you what is campfire. Okay, let me share screen with you. So here we go for a camping trip. So during camping, one thing very important is to set up a campfire. Ta-da! So what is a campfire? Basically, fire. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. During your campsite, you need to set up a campfire. Why? Why do we need to set up? Why do we need campfire? Right? Can't we bring our gas stove? At home we just on the gas and cook, but when we go to the campsite, we do not have any electricity, correct? Right? That's why we need to set up a campfire. So how to set up a campfire? Here is a short video to show you how to set a campfire. Basically, you need to get some wood, all right? Some branches. So yes, you have to go for adventures to look for branches, all right? To set up the branches in this manner. There's a reason behind, so there is some a hole here so that there is some air to go in so the fire can set. Okay, so there are main two reasons why we need to set a campfire. Reason being, there's no electricity, right? We need lights, so fire give us lights. Another one, why is because it does keep us warm, especially during the night. When we stay out in the woods, it's very, very cold. So fire do keep us warm, all right? And another reason why we do the campfire is we need to cook. So we can eat our lunch, our dinner, all right? So fire, we need to cook, okay? So yeah, so let's go into our creativity. We're done, no more slides? Okay, no more slides. So let me stop share. I will go into your activity here. I'll show you what you need to bring out. This art block. Okay, teacher has attached this yellow and red color for your fire. You can fill this out. All right. I also prepare some twigs. Right. Remember, you saw the video how to set up the campfire. We need to go and look for tree branch, wood to set up the fire. Of course, when you do your creativity, we cannot use the tree branch where I use the twig. Okay, we use twig. So what else you need? You need glue. Okay, do bring out your glue. All right. So the first step for this, bring your twig here. Let's break your twigs. Break your twig. Break into smaller pieces. Okay. Now, if you're going for a real camping, you can't break the tree branch with your hand like that. So what you usually do, you use axe. Chop, chop, chop. Okay. All right. You can use your hand. Since this is just arts and crafts, of course, just use our hands here. All right. So use your tiny little hands to break each and every twig here. Okay. So if you think it's enough, then it's enough. All right. So remember, when you set the campfire, it has to be like crisscross, crisscross, crisscross. Okay. I'm going to push this aside because I want to put glue. For this, you have to put as much glue as you can. This one extra, I put it away. I need so much. I mean, so many. So many. So I'm going to apply glue first at the bottom. All right, at the bottom, as much glue as you can. All right, thick glue. So I'm going to put glue at the bottom. So next is you put your sticks. You put cross, sticking up. Okay, crisscross, cross. Right. Press it down. Okay. So that the stick is on the paper. So you go crease, cross, that's it. What you can do here is you put some glue on your twig here, easier. Stick here, and we twig. Okay. Stick here. You see? Oh, you need to put a lot of glue so it really sticks. Okay, it's really trace inside the paper. Try to do crisscross. What is crisscross? Crisscross, crisscross, crisscross. Okay. Another one. Yeah, a lot of glue with this side here. My fingers has glue. So if your fingers has glue, doesn't matter lah, huh? All right. So you can see it's crisscross, crisscross. Okay. All right. So that's my. I haven't set the fire yet. So to set the fire, first thing is we have to put a little fire here, okay, and then poof, we have the campfire. So for the fire, we're going to use this crepe paper, long, right? What color is the fire? Orange, red, yellow, right? If you want, you can use the scissors to cut into smaller pieces. And you can try to use your hands to tear, slowly tear. So what mommy can do here, you don't want your little ones to tear until long pieces. So what you do is you use the scissors to cut into half first. Cut into half first. All right? Half. Okay. Half. Oh, my room is a bit windy, so it's going to fly everywhere. Half. Okay, after cutting it, as you can see. And then tear. Once it's half, tear. Oh, tear. Okay. Let's stick glue. So just stick this one in. Okay, so you tear. Oh, that's so easy to tear. So you want to cut half. So you tear this. Okay, this one. Pull out of it. So you just close it. Pull. Close it. Pull. Just pull. Okay. You can start sticking. All right. Okay, good now. And this is start flying around. You have to use the scissors to before all flying around. So I'm going to put glue. Spread the glue around the paper on top of the top part here. Okay. Then I start sticking my crepe paper. Yellow, yellow. I will stick some red. I'm going to take this red, open it up, and also tear. How you tear? Just tear like this, okay? Oh, okay. All right. Pull. Oh no. You have to pull fast. You can't pull slow. I need to put some more glue. Put some more glue here. Some more glue here. So mixture of yellow and red. Wow. I got really big fire here. Well, I have glue this part here. I do have not enough glue. Please put some more. I think I'll put some yellow before I put red. Put some yellow here. Okay, then we put some red. Okay. All right. Where is it? Yellow here. Yellow here. Make sure yellow and red. So it does really looks like fire. Right. Oops. And I'm going to put red on top of the yellow. Are you having fun? Fun. Teacher Sarah is having like fun. Like for me, it's too easy now. This craft, right? For you, it's a big challenge. Okay, we're about to done. I can see some blue here. I'm going to put some red here on top here. On top here. Here I want to put yellow. Yellow. I have a little left. So what is this going to be? 2. And then I'm done with it here. And then here. Ta-da! Swipe off the glue, close. My glue, so can we use again, it won't dry out. And that's it. That's my campfire. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? It's not going to throw it away. So I'm just going to snap picture and also I'm just going to show you the final outcome. Okay, so that's all for my video for this activity. And I see you the next activity. We're going to do with marshmallow. Okay, we're going to do marshmallow. See you again. Bye bye.